Dear students, good morning. This is class 8. The subject is mathematics, unit rational numbers, and today our topic is how to plot rational numbers on a number line. We have some rational numbers 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 5 by 7, and 3 by 5. Let us plot these rational numbers on a number line. Dear students, these numbers, they have one thing in common, that is they have smaller numerators. They have smaller numerators and bigger denominators. These numbers, numbers like these numbers are called proper fractions. Proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction which has smaller numerator than its denominator. A proper fraction is a fraction A proper fraction is a fraction which has smaller numerator than its denominator. A proper fraction is a fraction which has smaller numerator than its denominator. So these fractions are all proper fractions. They all have smaller numerators than their denominators. 1 by 2, 1 is smaller than 2. 1 by 3, 1 is smaller than 3. 1 by 4, smaller than 4. 5 by 7, 5 is smaller than 7. And 3 by 5, 3 is smaller than 5. These all fractions are proper fractions. That is, plot these fractions on a number line. We have a number line. This point is 0 and this point is 1. First we have to plot 1 by 2 on this line. 1 by 2 is half. It is 1 by 2, it is 1 half. We have a 1 whole. Suppose this is a 1 whole. This is 1 whole, this is a 1 whole, and if we divide it into 2 equal parts, these are 2 parts. This part is 1 by 2, this is another 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals 1 whole. 1 by 2 means 1 half. It is 1 half of a 1 whole. So this is 1 whole. From this point to this point it is 1 whole. So 1 half lies at the center. This is definitely 1 half. 1 half, this is 1 half. From this point to this point, 1 half, and from this point to this point, another 1 half. 2 1 halves equals 1 whole. What we have to do, we have to divide it into 2 equal parts. We have to divide it into 2 equal parts. When we have to show 1 by 2 on a number line, we have to divide it into 2 equal parts. And one thing which is important here, these all numbers lie between 0 and 1. The numbers having smaller numerators, then their denominators lie between 0 and 1. Those fractions which have smaller numerators lie between 0 and 1. These all fractions lie between 0 and 1 because they have smaller numerators than their denominators. So these all fractions lie between 0 and 1. 1 by 2 lies here. Now let's plot 1 by 3. This point is 0. This is 1. Let's plot 1 by 3. Divide it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3. This is 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. And this point is 3 by 3, which equals 1. 3 by 3 means 1. This point is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 lies at this point. This point is 1 by 3. 1 by 4. 0, 1, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Divide it into 4 equal parts. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts. 4 equal parts. This is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 lies at this point. What is this point? This is 2 by 4. And this point is 3 by 4. And this point is 4 by 4, which means 1. Let's plot 5 by 7. 5 by 7. 5 by 7 on a number line. It lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 5 by 7. What we have to do, we have to divide it into 7 equal parts because denominator is 7. We have to look at the denominator. Denominator is 7. Divide it into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts, 6 parts, and 7. 7 equal parts. This part is 1 by 7, this point is 2 by 7, this point is 3 by 7, this point is 4 by 7, and this point is 5 by 7. 5 by 7 lies at this point. This point, what is this point? Dear students, if I ask you what is this point, yes, this point is 5, this is 6 by 7, 6 by 7. You must say this point is 6 by 7, and what is this point? This point is 1, that means 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is equal to 1. 3 by 5, let us plot 3 by 5. We have a number line, this point is 0, and what is this point? Right, it is 1. What we have to do? We have to divide it into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4 parts, 5 parts. This is 1 by 5. This is 2 by 5. This point is 3 by 5. This point is 3 by 5. This point is 4 by 5. And this point is 5 by 5. That is equal to 1. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.